Hello everyone. In this exercise of Solidworks, we will understand how the flex feature in Solidworks function. Let's start. File, new, part, okay. This is the Solidworks user interface. I am selecting background plain white and unit system is millimeter gram second. You can take any other system as per your requirement. I am creating a model, simple model in order to create the flex command. Okay, top plane, sketch, center rectangle, this one. This width I am taking 40 mm only. This one. Okay, and this distance I am taking 150 only. Right? Now, future extrude boss base. This height I am taking, extrusion height I am taking only 40 mm, only 4 mm, sorry. 4 mm, this one. This is your simple model here. Now, in order for the flex command, you go in the insert. You can also go in from here, search command at the top. In the top, that is a menu bar. You will search, you can also search the flex command here, from here, flex. If you click this one, if you click this one, if after clicking, it will open the directly in the flex command, okay? Or if you flex and click, if you click this icon, eye icon, you will see it will directly take you on the flex command here. Okay, this one. So I take another. You can also go insert, future, and flex. This one. Insert, future, flex. Future, and this one, flex command. This one. This window comes here. So there are the 4 options. Bending option, you can bend by this command. Twisting, you can twist, taper, you can give the taper, and the stretching can be done with this one. This is the window opens here. Okay. In this box, you can select the body, which is to be flexed. This one. Now, this view appears. You will see. This view, one is the green plane, one is the red plane. This one. That is these planes are known as the trim plane. This one, trim plane 1. And trim plane view. Okay, and if I select this option, bending option, okay, in bending option, if you want the bend it, okay, suppose I give the angle 1, 2, 3, 12, this only. Bending will take place at where our plane is located, this plane and this one. I am not changing any plane direction, distance. Okay. If I hit the right button, this one, this is the bending take place. Okay. Again, edit it, same thing. Suppose this, you put value 0 and same and 0 also this one. Okay. This one 0 and this also 0. This is the original position. Suppose I take shift trim plane positions, this 20 mm and this also 20 mm, 20 mm. Now you will see there will be no effect from this below trim planes. Below trim planes there will be no effect. Only the bending will take place between these two planes. Okay, you please note this thing. Suppose I increase the value from here. I have shifted the trim plane value, trim 1 at a distance of 20 mm and trim plane 2 also at a distance of 20 mm. Now you will see there will be no change below this plane, trim plane 1 and trim plane 2. And if I take the angle, bending angle, I am taking 1, 2, suppose I am taking 37 degree. Okay, corresponding radius is coming 175 mm. Okay, if I hit the right button, you will see this thing. You will see below this trim plane position, there is no bending, no change in the bending. These are the state, you will see here. These are the state position, if you will see here. Okay, in this way. Right click, edit. I am putting this value 0, this one 0, and trim plane 0, and this and 0, this one. This also 0, and this also 0. And this 0. Okay, this one. This is the original position. Okay, if now I am taking this second option, this one, twisting. If I increase the angle, okay, twisting, this one, this 57 degree, this one, twisting is taking place, this one, in this way. Again I edit it. This value I am taking 0. Okay, now if I shift trim planes, suppose I shift only this plane, this one, not shifting this plane, second plane, trim plane. You can change the distances of trim plane. This is the trim plane 1, this is the trim plane 2. I am shifting trim plane at a distance of 30 mm from here. Okay, not changing trim plane 2 position. Okay, bending angle I am taking, twisting angle I am taking 1240, this one. You will see the below this trim plane position, this from here to here, there will be no effect of the twisting. If I hit right button, this one, you will see this is the straight position. I have shifted this plane, trim plane 1 at a distance of this one here 20 mm, but there is no change, anything, no change take place. You will see this is a straight position, and twisting is here from here to here. Okay, in this way you can twist here. Now again I am 0 put, and trim plane also 0, this one. Okay, this is the position. Now next option is tapering, this one. Suppose now this, what is this value? D is the taper factor. And now you have to think what value. Suppose I give 1, 2 factors. I am giving 0.2 taper factor. You will see here, this value is a taper factor. I am not changing any trim plane position. Okay, you will see the tapering position. Okay, now hit the right button, the taper takes place. You will see this one, this one. If you, but how you will decide what taper will come? If I feed this taper factor, this is 0.2 factor, 0.2, and if you see this dimension, evaluate this dimension, I note this one, this is coming 36, this is coming 36, and second dimension clear, and second dimension is coming 44 mm, 44 mm, this one. How you will come to know ki if I feed this taper factor 0.2, what value of taper will come? How you will come to know? Okay, 36 and 44. If you calculate, 40 is the width, actual width is the 40 mm. 40 into 0.2 is equal to 40 into 0.2 is equal to, sorry, cancel, 40 into 0.2 is equal to 8. This is the 8 divided by 2. This one is equal to 4. It means if you subtract 40 minus 4, that will become 36, and this value, if you add 4 into in this length 40 mm, this will give the second length. In this way you can use the taper factor. Okay, I am cancelled. Okay, I take another example of this one. Suppose I take it 0 and I shift the plane position 10 mm and also shift the plane of this one position and give taper value I am giving 0.5 mm, for example 0.50, this one, and hit right button. Now how you will decide ki if I am giving 0.50 taper factor, what value of this side and what value of this side will come? Okay, how you will come to know? I will tell you. Hit right button. If you measure this one, if you measure this one, this taper length, this one, because there will be no change up to this plane, because I have shifted plane position at this point and same way plane position this point. So here to here there will be no effect of this position will be straight, you will see here from here to here. In the same way from here to here, because I have shifted planes 1 and plane 2 from here to here and here to here. Now what is the value of taper? You will see here. Suppose I measure this length, this is 30 mm, this is 30 mm, and second is the clear, and this one is 0.50 50 mm. This is 30 and 50 mm, and cancel. If you see what factor I have given 0.50. So this length is 30 and this length is 50. How you will come to know? Calculator, calculate and cancel all thing, and 40 is the actual width. 40 is the actual width into taper factor I have given 0.50. 0.50 is equal to this one divided by 2 is equal to 10. It means 40 minus 10, that is the 30, and for this length that will be equal to 40 plus 10, 50 mm. So in this way, by using taper factor, you can decide what value of these tapers would come. Okay, hit this one, select this one. Now if you please note this thing, where the trim plane will be shifted below this one, below trim plane here, left side, below this or beyond this plane, there will be no change of any twisting, tapering, whatever operation, whatever the option you are taking. Okay, this one, hit right button. Okay, now again I am editing it, and now this time I am taking 0, this value is 0, and trim plane also 0, and same this position. This is the default position. If you right click on this one, and you can reset from here also, reset flex. Originally it will come in the original position, this one, reset flex. I am stretching it here, stretching. What is stretching? Suppose you stretch it, you increase the distance, this one, you will increase in this way. It will be 60 mm at a distance, so it will be both the planes. Okay, this one. If you shift the plane, there will be no effect of the stretching or that one. Okay, now I take 0, this one, 0. I am taking 0 here, this one. Okay, now you can move. These are actually, this is known as the triad. These 3 directional arrows represent the triad position. This one, you can change from this position. You can rotate about this one. You can rotate trim planes about from here, bottom you will see X, Y, Z. Suppose I change the angle, you will see. You can rotate the triads planes. You can rotate the planes, trim planes about Y axis, suppose. Also you can rotate about X axis and about Z axis. So I am rotating about Y axis, you see. This one, in this way. This in this way. And this is 0. Now this one. In this way you can rotate. and give the value of, suppose I want to take the bending, you can take the bending. This one, 8 degree, hit the right button. This way you can take the bending here. This one, right click, reset flex, or you can this value 0 and this value 0, and you can rotate from here. You can also bend it in this position also. You can position also to bend it. This is the original position of this. In this way, you can use this option. In the bottom one, you can flex for the accuracy purpose. You can use for this one. XYZ. You can change the position of this triad also from here. This one you can change here from this one. Also Z position triad, you can also change the position as per your product requirement. I am taking this as a 0 and this is 0. You will see the position is at the mid of this one, at a distance of 2 mm. Triad is at a distance of 2 mm in the Y direction. You can change the triad position XYZ from here, and rotation of the trim plane you can adjust from here, this one, from here. So depending upon the object, you can flex the body. Three features you can, 4 options: bending, twisting, tapering, and this is very useful in the twisting, the drills, and also used for the sheet metal bending. You can use it very efficiently. I hope you would have liked, you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Okay.